Hey, what's up? You're watching 120 Hertz. So I've been using the Zebronics Zeb Thunder wireless Bluetooth headphones for a couple of sessions now, and for this budget, this price, they're spectacular. We get to see a very unique kind of packaging, the headphones, the paperwork, the USB and the aux cable included in the box. The headphones are pretty lightweight, they weigh just about 124 grams. We get to see a very smooth and compact design, Zebronics branding on either sides. The left part of the headphones, we have the power button, which also serves as a call function button, the volume and navigation buttons, and the pause resume button. This device lets you listen to music via Bluetooth, or if you do not wish to take your phone, you also get a microSD card slot. You just need to insert a microSD card into the slot, and it automatically starts playing audio files in MP3 format. So in this 800 to 1000 budget, there are two other headphones, the Leaf Bass and the Petron Studio, and surprisingly, only the Zeb Thunder headphones have an SD card slot. These headphones also come with an FM radio format. You've got to press the pause play button for 3 seconds and it gets into the FM mode. And frankly speaking, the radio feature works absolutely fine, not to worry. We get to see the mic hole, the aux jack, the micro USB input for charging, and the LED hole. The ear cups are very comfortable and soft. They've got a leather covering. You also can adjust the headband according to your head size. The build quality, not so durable but okay. They're made of lightweight plastic. You can not take the chances of dropping them down. The device comes with a 9-hour playback time as mentioned on the box, but in my experience it lasts for about 6 hours. Charging time should be around 3 hours from 0 to 100. I've read many reviews and most of them have mentioned about the low quality of the aux cables, but I actually did not find any issue with the cable. Last but the main factor, the sound clarity. So though it's a wireless device, the sound is just amazing. Mic may not be so crisp, but it should be fine unless you're speaking constantly for long hours. You guys are free to type in your thoughts on the device or ask any of your questions. I'll answer them. The best comment for sure will get a heart from 120Hz. So that's all folks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.